Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we'll learn the concept of variables. Let's go to the agenda first. Today we'll learn what is variable, types of variable, and how to use it. What is variable? A variable is a name that holds value. Variables are used to store data or information to be referenced and manipulated in computer program. For example, x equal to 10, y equal to 5, sum equal to 15. Here x, y sum all are variables and 10 x equal to 10. 10 is the value of that particular variable which is assigned to x. Here the similarly y value is 5 and the sum value is 15. Variable and data, they both are stored in different memory location. Variable is pointing to the memory location of data. Here 10 is, let's say, in some memory location and x also in some other memory location, then x is pointing to that particular memory location of 10, so that computer program understands that x value need to be taken from that particular address. So in this way variables works. Next we'll go to how types of variable. There are major types of variables are strings, and numeric, and boolean. There are other types of variables as well depending on programming languages. Okay, now we'll go through only these three. First, numeric variable. Numeric variable, as you know, it can be integer, floating point, numbered, or double. For example, sum equal to 20. That means sum is an integer type of variable. Cost equal to 100.50. That means cost is a floating point type of variable. String that holds alphanumeric character in the form of words. For example, str equal to I am writing a Scratch program. Here str is a string variable. It's containing a string or a sentence. Okay, it's within quote means it's an string. And then the boolean, its value either true or false. For example, has balance equal to true, has car equal to false. So has balance is a boolean type variable whose value is true. Has car is a boolean variable whose value is false. So these are the three major types of variable. Now we'll learn how to use it or how to use variable. First, a equal to 10, a is a variable. Here b equal to 20, b is also a variable. If I add it a plus b and putting in another variable, that is sum equal to a plus b, computer will understand that a's value is 2, b value is 20, a value is 10, b value is 20. So the sum is 20. So if I print that variable sum, it will print 30. Another example, here the same thing, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. The sum is a plus b equal to, it will evaluate 30. So if I print it, it will evaluate 30. Take another variable, let's say c equal to 30. So c is a variable whose value is 30. Again I am taking the sum a plus b plus c, and then if I print the sum, the value will be 60 because a value is 10, b value is 20, and c value is 30. Next we will learn a string variable. Here the string 1 is a string variable and its value is apple. String 2 is another variable whose value is tree. If I sum it, that is string plus one string 2, and print it, the value will be apple tree. Let's go for another example with the boolean variable. So first I have a equal to 10, that is a is one variable, and another variable is numeric whose value is true. Now, if I go for if logical condition, if is numeric, that means is numeric value is true, then print A. Here we see that is numeric value is true. So the statement will print 10. Another example, A equal to 10 dot O. So is numeric is false. Here if I put the print statement in a logical condition like if is numeric, if is numeric is true, then it will print A, otherwise it will not print anything. So here is numeric is false. So inside the if, the condition should be true. Is numeric is evaluating false. So if false, that means that print A will not be executed. So here it will print nothing. So that is the example of variables and how to use it. Next video we will learn Scratch variables and we will go for the programming. Stay with me. This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.